Hello everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we are going to talk about one of the interesting topic, properties of binary relations in lattices and Boolean algebra. Let us see the definition. A binary relation capital R on a set capital A is said to be reflexive. Reflexive means it satisfies the condition x comma x, which means the order pair x comma x belongs to capital R for every x belongs to capital A. For example, we consider A equal to 1 comma 2. After that, we have to define relation set R. So let us consider the order pair 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. These two order pairs are called reflexive form. Okay. Second one is irreflexive. So what is irreflexive means? If x comma x does not belongs to R, for every x belongs to A, which means 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, these order pairs does not belongs to the given relation set, then it is called irreflexive. Third one, symmetric. So what is symmetric means? If it satisfies the condition x comma y belongs to capital R, then y comma x belongs to R for every x comma y belongs to capital A, which means if we take 1 comma 2 belongs to relation set. So what is symmetric pair? 2 comma 1 belongs to R or not. If it is belongs to R, then the two pairs are called symmetric pair. Okay, otherwise it is not symmetric. Fourth one is asymmetric. Asymmetric means if x comma y belongs to R, then y comma x does not belongs to R. For all x comma y belongs to the given set capital A. Okay, this is called asymmetric. Next one is antisymmetric. So what is antisymmetric means? If x comma y belongs to R and y comma x also belongs to R, then we can write x equal to y. For example, if we take 1 comma 2 belongs to relation set, what is a 1 x comma y antisymmetric? 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 also belongs to capital R, then we can write 1 equal to 2. For all x comma y belongs to the given set A. Next one is transitive property. So what is transitive property means? If x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R, then we can write x comma z belongs to R. So here you see y value is the same value, you should get second order pair y comma z, then we can write x comma z belongs to R. For all x comma y comma z, here z is missing, right? So for all x comma y comma z belongs to capital. So these are the properties of binary relations. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.